supporters before the convention, where his supporters expect him to speak, and the Clinton advisors hope he'll give her a full-throated support and backing. And according to the New York Times, aides to Hillary Clinton said she didn't expect an endorsement last night. A statement from the Clinton campaign after the meeting described it as a positive discussion about the primary campaign, about unifying the party, and about the dangerous threat that Donald Trump poses to the nation. And they discussed issues like raising wages, reducing college costs, and, quote, agreed to continue working on the shared agenda, including through the platform development process for the upcoming Democratic National Convention. Sanders' campaign released a nearly identical statement, and it sounds like they're negotiating over exactly what the platform will say, but also what Hillary Clinton will say moving forward in this campaign to really bring in Bernie Sanders supporters, and what Bernie Sanders wants her to say in return for him giving her his support. Apparently in the meeting was Hillary Clinton and Bernie Sanders, along with Jane Sanders, Bernie Sanders' wife, Jeff Weaver, his campaign manager, Robbie Mook, Hillary Clinton's campaign manager, and John Podesta, Hillary Clinton's campaign chairman. And according to the advisors to Sanders, not these particular advisors, two other advisors who are not named, Sanders said he thought Clinton had said many of the right things at the meeting, but he was just concerned that she might embrace more politically moderate